surprise house mason house something 275 plus feet tall, 3 plus feet wide. Furniture bus has come. Oh God, this is so heavy and huge. This is the LOL bus house. Like if you have to make your furniture go away, like in some houses. So this is the bus. Wow, I just love this. Anna, it opens from here. I think we should get to open it. Okay, open it, Anna. Wow! Oh my God! Look at this. Oh, this is the bathroom and there's the Tim Franco. Shower day paints. What's it? Oh, Anna, you're getting too much excited. Okay, I'll make that go. Whoa. These are so cool. Oh, that's a big one. Ooh, okay, article something stuff. Okay. So these are the surprise from the bus, and these are total 30. So this is the bedroom, and this is the outdoor, and this is the kitchen stuff. Okay, and this is the bedroom. Oh, and this is the bathroom. Cool. And this is the salon. And these are the instructions to build or to decorate. Oh, and these are some backgrounds. So this is the wooden thing. It is actually we have to be whoa, so that we can build it. Look at this. Papa, take it. Papi has a good for. Yeah, he has. There's so many wooden. These are the wooden planks that can help to make the house, and my daddy will help me because these are nails and they can be also sharpened. So yeah, it's important to read the manual building the house because these are the instructions, or we can make it wrong as the way. So yeah, we have to. These are very. Because the witch was playing in the bedroom. So we have the section that the nails. There's nail blower. So these are the wooden boards. The wooden boards is just okay. So it took us 3 hours. We'll continue the video and we are going to show every single thing what comes into this house. So we have to get started with it. Actually we have opened some because Ahana couldn't resist. Yeah, so I think we should get started. I opened it up and we put that and wow. Wow. I am opening closet. Oh, I can't wait to see what do I have. Ah, oops. Let's open it. Oh wow! It's an wow! Whoa! This is so cool! Wow! Yeah. There's a newspaper. Lawn. Anu, come, let's keep it over there. Anu, shall I help? Ooh, it's a lot. It's a party light. Party light. It's a light. Magnet. Wow, look at the chair.
What is that, Ahana?
It's a bed. Oh, wow. So, Ahana's got a sofa. Wow. It's amazing. Look at this coffee table. It's marble. It's mine. So we have a lamp. It also lights. We have a wardrobe, like a clothes closet. It's on the floor. And then we have the sofa. I love the color. And then we have a table and chairs, 2 chairs. Now I'm opening bedroom. Let's see what is inside. What is this? Oh my god. Oh, it's a vanity. Wow. I didn't know that LOLs have this. This is super duper cool. Look, it also has a chair and the drawers are so cute. They can open. Did you notice that these LOL papers are LOL newspapers? Wow, these are so cute things. Okay, so I'm again opening bedroom. They're so sticky. Oh my god, there's so many things. It's a bed for a boy. I mean, no, it's a bunk bed with a slide. Wow, just look at it. It's for me, Betu. Thank you, Betu. There is also a ladder. There are pillows and also blankets. Oh god, I want these stuff. Little pancakes. Me? Thank you. So this is the third bedroom stuff. Oh. Let's see what do we have in the treasure box. Wait a minute, honey. What? Oh my god! It's a baby crab. Oh. It's a baby crab, Hannah. Yes. It can also be turned like this. Wow. I am the opening button. They're so cute. And you know, this sand box can open, and look what do we have. We can also put real sand in this, if you know that. Can you see those paw prints? They're so cute. And you know, this sand box can open, and look what do we have. We can also put real sand in this, if you know that. So now I'm going to open kitchen stuff. There are 2 of them. We'll do it one by one. So let's open this. That is so big. I can't open this at all. Okay, it's too hard to open. It's very big. Okay. Oh my God! It's a fridge. Fridge. Let's see what do we have on here. Okay. We have got a surprise. Okay, what is it? It's eyes. Little eyes. Let's keep it over here, Anna. Good. Open the second one. Here you go. Wow. What are these? Oh my God. Oh wow. What are these, Anna? Pizza and some chairs. Wow. Num. This can, I think, open. Yes. Look, this can open and fit together. This can also be fixed. But I don't know how to do this. This is high chairs.
And what do we have here?
Pizza. Let's see I've got bathroom. Let's see what's in this. Okay. What is this? Okay, that's huge. Oh, these are so adorable. There's a bathtub. Oh, what? And a walking toilet. It's a walking toilet. Wow, these are so cool. We have some few things. I think these are the windows. I don't know. And this goes to the kitchen. Maybe. I'm going to open these.
Wow, Ahana, what is this?
Yeah, let's see what do we have here. Okay, I'm going to open this. Okay. It says, let me out of here. Okay, let's see. Look at that girl. She is a color change. Wow, look at her socks. Wow, and she also have earrings. This is so cool. Let's open this bag. I think. So I'm going to open this package. Oh wow! Where's the dog? It's a pop, soda pop. Wow! Thank you, Vedu. And this is a cat home. Now I'm going to open the another pack. Oh my God! It's my baby. he tied a top. Wow. I think this is her place. Yes. Yes. I'm going to make her wear these. I've got some tiny shoes. Yeah, it's her shoes. Wow. Okay. I'm going to open another bag. It's a milk. Oh, it's like a milk bottle. Okay. My shoes. Oh wow. My shoes. I've got another bottle. Oh, we have got two. Which kind of specs are those? Papi! I've got tiny shoes. Here is my clothes. Wow. Tiny. Hello, everything. Okay. Now let's get them to their places. Okay, so now we'll put this over there. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to show you one more thing. Ta-da! Wow. So this is the hot tub which goes over here. And then next will be the pool which goes here. And now the sand tub. And the pool house is ready for our dolls. Oh, hi. So this is her clothes, hers, and her shoes are, she is wearing boots. Get them dressed. Okay, I'm going to make her wear her top. So these dolls color change with cold water, but I'm just going to do the kitty. So let's try it. Okay. Look, do you see that? Oh, even her hair color changes. Look at that. Whoa, this is amazing. It's so freezing. I can hold this. Look at that. It's like a chess. And look at this. The pool also. Ta-da! She has a swimming costume. Wow. And her hair is like, oh, just like chess. Oh my god, my hands have been freezing. Okay, so I know that this house is amazing for everybody. And I'm going to start playing, but first, thank you to my parents because I wanted this a lot. And you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and that's all you have to do. Bye!